I hope you are well, sound and safe by the grace of Almighty Allah. Okay, welcome to SSC online class taken by MD Arul Islam, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Srimanta Adarsha College, Satkhira. All are wished Eid Mubarak in advance. Well, I would like to start my main discussion today without any introduction. Dear learners, in my last class I discussed modifier, the topic modifier. Today I will also discuss the same topic, modifier. In my last class I discussed the modifiers of noun. Today I will discuss the modifiers of adverb, modifiers of adjective and modifiers of verb, modifiers of verb. So, let us start with your pens and khatas. Modifier. Today we will discuss the modifiers of verb. We will discuss the modifiers of verb, the pre-modifiers of verb and the post-modifiers of verb. At the same time, how to manage the modifiers of verb I will discuss today. Post-modifier. Pre-modifier. Dear learners, please look at the board what I am going to write. At first we had to search the stated verb. Then you have to manage the modifiers of the verb, questioning the verb with some WH words. Okay. Suppose you know that the modifiers of verb must be an adjective or adjective phrase. The modifiers of verb will be the adverb or adverbial phrase. The modifiers of verb must be adverb or adverbial phrase. Adverb or adverbial phrase. So, to find out or to manage the adverb or adverbial phrase as the modifiers of verb, what you have to use some WH word with which we can manage the adverb or adverbial phrase as the modifiers of verb. Okay? When you will question the verb with where, you will manage the adverb of place. Adverb of place. When you will question the verb with when, you will get the adverb of time. When you will question the verb using how, WH word how, then you will get adverb of manner. And when you will question the verb using why, you will get adverb of reason. In such a way, we can manage the modifiers of verb. Okay. Now I am going to give you an example of this Suppose tashrif goes to college. Tashrif first modify the verb. This is the question. First modify the verb. So, from this question pattern, it is clear to us that the verb will be the earlier part of this gap. The verb is goes here, and you have to question the verb using this WH word: where, when, how, why. Tashrif goes to college. Where does Tashrif go? To college. Already there is an adverb, adverbial phrase. So, what we can use here? Ask the verb question using when does Tashrif goes to college? When does Tashrif go to college? When does Tashrif go to college? The answer will be at 9 a.m. So, at 9 a.m. this is an adverbial phrase here. Okay. If you question the verb with WH word how, what will be the answer? Tashrif, how does Tashrif go to college? How does Tashrif go to college? Answer by bus. So, this is also the modifier of the verb goes. By a bus, this is an adverbial phrase. Now, we can question the verb goes with why. Why does Tashrif go to college? Why does Tashrif go to college? Why? What's his purpose to go to college? To do the class. To do the class. So, this is an adverbial phrase. This is the modifier of the verb goes. In such a way, we can manage the modifiers questioning the verb with WH words: where, when, how, and why. Okay. So, in your question pattern, we see some question in such a way. I am going to write them. He went to Dhaka pre-modify the verb with infinitive. Infinitive phrase. Pre-modify the verb, post-modify the verb, post-modify the verb with infinitive phrase. Post-modify. So, we have to search the verb first. The stated verb is went here, and we have to use the first modifiers of this verb. How? We have to manage the modifier questioning the verb with why. Why? He went to Dhaka. Why did he go to Dhaka? Why did he go to Dhaka? He had a purpose, and for this purpose or aim, he went to Dhaka. So, if you question the verb with why, the answer will come. Why? And the answer must be to plus verb and plus object. Infinitive phrase. So, the answer must be to plus verb, extension or object. This is a phrase, infinitive phrase. Why did he went to Dhaka? Why did he went to Dhaka? To meet the PM. So, what was his purpose? His purpose was to meet the PM. So, the modifiers of the stated verb went here to meet the PM. Understand, dear learners? So, what you have to do to find out the infinitive or infinitive phrase as the post modifiers of a verb or pre modifier of a verb, what you have to do? We have to question the verb, a stated verb, with why. Okay? Why? In the same way, we get this question pattern as the pre modifier of the stated verb. Suppose he went to Dhaka. Pre-modify the verb with infinitive phrase. So, how to manage the modifier, I mean pre-modifier as infinitive phrase of the verb went. Pre-modify means the modifier will be used before the stated verb. Okay? The gap will be set before the verb. Then the question will be pre-modifier, and the stated verb here went. So, what you have to do? You have to question the verb using why. Why did he go to Dhaka? The answer will be the same. To meet the PM. So, the same answer whenever you are asked to write the pre-modifier of a verb as infinitive phrase or post modifier of the verb as infinitive phrase. So, what you have to do? In both cases, you have to question the verb using why, and the answer will be the best suitable word for this modifier. Okay? Dear learners, now I am going to give you an example of present participle. Present participle or present participle phrase as the pre-modifier or post modifiers of a verb. Present participle or present participle phrase. Verb plus ing and verb plus ing plus object or extension. Uchchas went out. Uchchas went out. The door. The question will be first modify the verb with present participle. So what you have to do? Utsash went out, post modify the verb with present participle, the door. What you have to do? How we can manage the answer of this question? How we can manage the first modifier of verb as present participle? What you have to do? We have to think over it. After hot job, did the Utsash go out? After hot job, Utsash went out. Hot job. There is an action that has already been performed by Utsash, and we have to find out this action. Door, the door. So, he closed the door and went out. Closed the door. At first, he closed the door and then went out. So, this verb close will be present participle. What you have to do? Close will be present participle, closing. So, the answer will be closing the door. Utsash went out, closing the door. So, how can we manage the present participle? We have to manage the present participle by determining the action that has already been done by the same subject. Okay, what you have to do? We have to find out the action that has already been done by the same subject, and after finding out this verb, we have to use verb plus ing form of this verb as the post modifiers as present participle. Okay. Present participle phrase. How can we manage present participle phrase as the pre-modifier or post modifiers of a verb? He attends the meeting. Pre-modify the verb present participle phrase. Okay. This is the question, and we have got the question, gap at first of the sentence, and we have to use the pre-modifier of the verb, a stated verb here, attends. Pre-modify. At first you have to search the verb. Where is the verb? This is the verb attends. Attends. So this subject has already done an action. What is the action? The action will be in this phrase. Okay, he attends the meeting. Before attending the meeting, what has he done? Before attending the meeting, what has he done? We have to find out. Suppose having breakfast. Having present participle breakfast. This will be the present participle phrase. Or wearing a new dress. This will be the pre-modifiers of the verb, pre-modifier of the verb attend. So, wearing a new dress, this is a phrase, present participle phrase. So, how can we make or present participle phrase as the pre-modifier of verb or post modifiers of a verb? How? We have to find out the already performed activity by the subject, and then we have to use the verb as the form of present participle. Understand, dear learners? Okay. Now I am going to give you the examples of pre-modifiers and post-modifiers of adjective and adverb. Adjective. The pre-modifiers of adjective must be an adverb. Why? Because adverb modifies adjective, adverb and adverb itself. Okay? So, the modifiers of adjective must be an adverb or adverbial phrase. Before the stated or adjective, we have to use an adverb as the pre-modifier of the adjective. Okay? Pre-modifier. And as the post-modifier of adjective, what you have to do? We have to use post-modifier. We have to use infinitive or infinitive phrase. To plus verb or to plus object or extension. Okay. What you have to do as the pre-modifiers of adjective? We are going to the example. He is happy. Pre-modify the adjective. Pre-modify the adjective. So, we have to search the adjective first. This is the adjective. Happy here, the adjective. And we have to find out, or we have to manage the modifier, pre-modifier of the word happy. So, what we have to do? We can ask a question on this adjective using how. W said how. How happy? How happy? He is happy. How happy? How happy? The answer will be very happy. Very. So, he is very happy. Not happy, not maybe, pre-modifier of adjective. Why? Not is an adverb. So, he is very happy, he is not happy. These two words are suitable for this gap. Okay. Now, I am going to give you the examples of the post modifiers of adjective as infinitive. She is sad. The news. She is sad. Post modify the adjective with infinitive. Okay, just infinitive. I mean 2 plus verb will be the modifier here, post modifier. Whenever you will get the post modifier, what you have to do? You have to find out the adjective first. Where is the adjective? Post modifier. So, adjective will be found earlier. sad. Here is the adjective, and we have to find out, we have to manage the first modifier of this adjective sad here. How can we manage it? Why? You have to use the WH word why to question on the adjective. Why is she sad? Why sad? Why is she sad? Regarding the news, just to get the news. So, why is she sad? She is sad to get the news. Okay. Dear learners, now I am going to give you the example of another term, that is intensifier. Intensifiers are so, very, to. They are used in pair in a sentence. So has the pair, that is that. Very had the pair, very has the pair, that is and. This will be to. To has the pair, that is to plus verb. So they are used in pair in a sentence. So is used with that, very is used with and, to is used with an infinitive, that is to plus verb. So they are in some cases used as the pre-modifiers of adjective. She is weak. That she cannot walk. Use intensifier. So what we have to do? We have to ask a question on this adjective using how. How weak is she? How weak is she? The answer will be so weak. So weak. Why? Because there is that. So is followed by that. So we have to use the intensifier so here. But if we get and instead of that, what we have to do? We have to use very. And whenever infinitive will be followed by the gap, what you have to do? You have to use to. T-double-O, to. Okay. Dear learners, now I am going to give you the examples of pre-modifiers and pre-modifiers of adverb. Adverb is modified by another adverb. So its pre-modifier must be another adverb. Pre-modifier must be another adverb. Okay. In a sentence, we can see it. Tashrif runs fast. Here fast is an adverb and modifying the prior verb runs. Now the question pattern is pre-modify the adverb, pre-modify the adverb. So, what we have to do? We have to find out the adverb, that is first. First here is an adverb, and we have to manage another adverb as the pre-modifier of the word first. So, how we can manage it? We can question the adverb using how. How fast? How fast? The answer must be very fast. The ship runs very fast. So, this very is the appropriate word for this gap and working as the pre-modifier of the adverb fast. Okay, learners, we have learned many things regarding modifiers. Now we have to practice it more and more. Why? Because you know that practice makes a man perfect. So, as the term is totally new to you, I think more and more practice will make you well prepared for this question. Okay? Thank you once again for staying with me for a long time. Okay.